What's up guys, Zax101 here. Today I'm going to show you how to install Technic pack and Tekkit. So first you want to go to technicpack.net. Scroll down, go to download the Technic launcher. It will open like so. See, I think that's just plain. So you want to select which mod: Voxel, Hacks, Hackline, Logbox, Tekkit, and Technic pack. So you want to log in, then it'll install. So you've got that installed. And then so now I'm going to show you how to install Tekkit. You want to go back to you want to go back to technicpack.net. Google Chrome's in mind of his own. So guys, I'll be right back in just. So you want to go down, if I remember, Tekkit, then go to download Tekkit server 3.1.1. then you'll open up a file like this where you saved it to. You'll basically go like this, go up to wherever your bucket is, and then you want to drag that all into the bucket folder. And if you have bucket GUI, why the fuck, I still don't know why. So you go where your bucket GUI is, and you will have the Tekkit jar. You want to go rename, then you can rename the Tekkit, the Tekkit jar, to craft bucket 1.2.5, or you can just have normal craft bucket. You don't need to open that now. And then the normal craft bucket, if I can. Sorry, I don't want to add all the shit. You bitch. Because I don't want to add all the stuff into it, because I only uninstalled Tekkit earlier. So you want to rename that Tekkit. So basically, the Tekkit jar is craft. You rename it craft bucket. The craft bucket jar you call Tekkit, and then that's how you do it. You can change anything if you want. So it's been quite short, but I can't really express it in any more detail. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's been okay. I haven't been able to record an episode of Minecraft. There will be one tomorrow. So guys, I will see you next time. For now.